Hello viewers, welcome again to my kitchen, especially to the Friday friendly kitchen. And today I'm going to show you an easy rice recipe, which is a lemon rice, and I will also show you with what it goes along with. And today because I'm going to show you for the video, I just took 1 cup of rice, washed, and I drained it for about 20 minutes. And I have 1 cup of water, and I have half a cup of lemon juice. And for this lemon juice, I will say that if you like it sour, you use it for half a cup. If you don't like it to be too sour, just use 1/4 cup of the lemon juice and add 1/4 cup of water. The ratio for 1 cup of rice is 1.5 cup of water. So let's get started, and I'm going to show you other things as well. And I'm also going to use some salt, and there are tempering ingredients. I'll show you while I'm cooking how am I going to put the tempering ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to add the salt according to your taste. And I'm going to add the lemon juice. I like it sour, so I'm going to use half a cup, and I'm going to let it sit for approximately about 10-15 minutes. And also I'm going to add some turmeric powder in it, and my turmeric powder is about 1/4 teaspoon or 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I'm going to mix it and let it sit till mix it up. So let it sit for a bit, and then we'll come back. Hello viewers, and right now I'm going to show you the cooking method by the tempering and all, and from here I will lead you how to continue with the cooking. And I'm going to start off with turning off the stove into medium. Always remember, if you're a new beginner or what, always start off with medium. Alright, and I'm going to add some oil, approximately about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add approximately about 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. So we'll wait for the mustard seed to crackle. As you can see, the mustard seeds are crackling. So now I'm going to add some cumin seeds, approximately about 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to add some chana dal, or it's called the split Bengal gram. So I've added that approximately about 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to saute. I'm just giving a quick stir, and I'm going to add some urad dal in it. Approximately about 1 teaspoon. So just keep on sauteing for a minute, for a while, till the urad dal changes the color. And I have approximately about 2 dried chilies, and I'm going to add them. And I'm going to add some curry leaves. And at this point you can add asafoetida or hing, but for me I'm not going to add today, and I'm going to add the rice straight away. At this at this point, we saute the rice for a couple of minutes. And at this point we have already about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add one piece of cinnamon sticks. I broke it into small pieces. And right now I'm going to add the water. Since turmeric will settle down, so give a quick mix. And the water goes in. So for this rice that has been sticking, use a spatula and you can just push it down. And now let it come to a boil, and we will meet you in a short moment. As you can see, the water has already been absorbed by the rice, so give a quick stir. Gently, don't break the grains. And this now will go into the oven about 200 degree of Fahrenheit for at least about 30 minutes or 1 hour, and we'll come back later. So before I go into the oven, let me show you. And this is my oven. We'll come back later. Let us see how the rice is cooked. Oh, it looks perfect. So I'm going to just mix it slowly without breaking. The rice is perfect right now, and I will show you how we assemble it. Hello viewers, and here is my perfectly arranged South Indian meal with papadums or papad, lemon rice, potato masala, raita, and a stir-fry mixed vegetable. So do try them, and I will be placing the link on each of them individually. So do try them, and happy cooking. See you in my next video. Please subscribe, share the video, and get to know more of the Indian cookings. Thank you. Bye bye.